We actively need to practice and build a habit of looking on the bright side of life. This is not the same as ignoring dangers or mistakes. We're talking about changing our lens so that we actively look for positives and start viewing imperfections as opportunities. We can accumulate positive experiences by intentionally focusing on 1 to 2 positives each day and keeping track visually in a journal or with sticky notes around your room. It won't change your life overnight, but over time your positive perspective will build. B. Building mastery is similar to accumulating positive experiences and engaging in pleasant activities, but more specifically working on skills that make us feel competent and possibly even productive. Building mastery contributes to our identity, self-worth, and self-esteem for long-term emotional stability. C. Cope ahead is planning for a potentially distressing situation by visualizing in advance how it might go sideways and identifying skills and a plan for how to use them. Cope ahead is basically part of the visualization technique you learned in Module 2 that Michael Phelps and other athletes use to improve their performance. In this case, the performance is in emotional regulation. These athletes would anticipate potential problems and work out in advance how they would handle them. That was the ABC part of ABC Please. Now we'll focus on the Please part. The Please skill is straightforward. It addresses the things you've been learning from your family and school for years. Please focuses on 5 areas: treat physical illness, balance eating, avoid mood-altering drugs, balance sleep, and get exercise. P&L, treat physical illness. It's hard to be our emotional best when we aren't feeling well. The stress of pain and physical discomfort reduces our energy and our willpower, and it increases our emotionality. It's important to take steps to address physical issues that are affecting your emotional well-being. E, balance eating. What you eat has a significant impact on your brain as well as the rest of your body. Your brain likes a healthy diet just like your heart does. A, avoid mood-altering drugs. Alcohol, nicotine, marijuana, and other substances have a negative impact on your emotions. They may feel good in the moment when you take them, but over time, we develop both emotional and cognitive problems. If you're having trouble managing your emotions, you should be avoiding these mood-altering substances. S, balance sleep. As we explained in our module on resilience battery, sleep gives us energy to strengthen our willpower and the ability to think more clearly, to use our skills more effectively. And it helps us get from a place of strong emotions to a state of more balance between our emotions and logic. Having a regular sleep schedule or even just a consistent wind-down routine can go a long way in supporting healthier sleep. E, get exercise. Do some sort of physical activity every day, whether you think of it as exercise or some kind of fun movement. Physical activity burns off stress and releases endorphins that help you feel good and manage anxiety. Now that you know the ABC and Please parts of the ABC Please skill, you can start paying attention to and using these skills more intentionally to reduce your vulnerability to strong emotions. Which brings us back to emotional regulation and the last goal of decreasing unwanted emotions.